What's up guys, today we have iPhone 7 Plus camera not focusing. As we all know, there is two camera for the iPhone 7 Plus. One can focus and the second can't focus. We can't solve this problem, but we can replace the problem. I mean replace the camera. As you can see, there is no focus on the slow-mo second camera and portrait camera. It's the one on the second camera. Remove the first two screws. Remember, opening this device will be no longer water resistance. And if this is the first time, you need to heat the screen for 2 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds so you can remove it without damaging it. This device has been opened before, so now as you can see it's easy to be opened. I didn't need to heat the screen. Take out the screws and the shield. Remember to sort the screws because every screw is different from each other, so you need to sort them, otherwise when you put them back you can dig the board in and causing damages to the phone. All screws need to be sorted down. Remove ear speaker shield. Unplug battery first, remove ear speaker flex cable, then the screen flex cable, and then fingerprint flex cable. Remove camera shield, there is 2 screws. Unplug camera flex cable, then take out the camera. Now bring the new one, put it in place, and that's it. Put the flex cable in for the second and for the first one. Before you put the camera, make sure the lenses on the other side is cleaned and perfect. Now you can reverse the operation, and that's it. If you have any questions, please write it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. See ya! As you can see on the portrait, the focus has come back. Our problem has been resolved. Now you can assemble the phone. like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.